An early 8th century Indian philosopher and theologian, Adi Shankaracharya is credited for consolidating the doctrine of Advaita Vedanta. He unified and established the current thoughts in Hinduism. Here are the important things to know about Adi Shankaracharya. 1. Started the journey of sannyasa at 16. 2. Left this world at the age of 32. 3. Traveled India on his feet for 3 times to revive Hindu Dharma back. 4. Adi Shankaracharya was a phenomenal poet, and he held the divine in his heart with an overflowing love. His compositions include 72 meditative and devotional hymns. 5. Legend says he is a avatar of Lord Shiva. 6. The first Bhashya, commentary, he wrote was on Vishnu Sahasranama on insistence of goddess. 7. His first stotra was on Sri Mahalakshmi, goddess of prosperity, which is H.T. Kankadhara Stotram. 8. He installed the 4 Siv Lingas he reaved from Lord Shiva in various places but kept the Atma Linga for himself. 9. Established the Advaita Vedanta school of Hinduism. 10. He has also written 18 commentaries on the primary texts such as the Bhagavad Gita, the Brahma Sutras, and 12 important Upanishads. Shankara also authored 23 books on the basics of the Advaita Vedanta philosophy explaining the truth of the one singular or undivided Brahman. Atma Bodha, Viveka Chudame, Upadesha Sahasri, and Vakya Vritti are few of them. 11. Adi Shankaracharya's parents were worshippers of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva had granted the couples the boon to have a child. It's also said by the legends that Adi Shankaracharya is also an avatar of Lord Shiva. 12. Adi Shankaracharya wanted to be a sannyasi but their parents had denied. One day Adi Shankaracharya went to take a bath in river. There he was caught by a crocodile. He called his mother in a sorrowful voice, but she couldn't save him, even after trying several times. Then Adi Shankaracharya requested her mother one last time to grant him sannyasa. Her mother Aryamal, thinking that it might save his life, agreed. 13. Shankaracharya recited the mantras to assume sannyas. By surprise and the effect of the powerful mantras, he was freed by the crocodile without getting hurt. Then, he renounced the world and went on his life path. 14. Shankaracharya began his journey of sannyasa at the age of 16 when many of the children were in Gurukula. In today's generation, many teenagers are busy to find the love and lose it, but Adi Shankaracharya chose the path to bring back Hinduism. He started at the age of 16 and traveled around Bharata teaching people about the Ultimate One. 15. He traveled and conveyed messages of the Vedas to the people. His scriptures showcase at their very core this divine knowledge. Brahman, pure consciousness, is the absolute reality. Shankar's teachings still continue to touch the hearts of the people all across the globe. 16. He is called Jagadguru for his efforts to bring back the Dharma. We want your support to grow our channel. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks.